girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you played me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately. Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and came in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look and jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it.
I'm finna stand tall in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. All again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, just get ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, legs to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep diamond is honor. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. All in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. All again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, just be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, beg my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, legs to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep diamond is honor. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them get, come finish you. Know you being charged, you just like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the beat. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like coke on the engine. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm just quick on the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, give me the go crazy. Man, bitch on the bed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, man. Living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I close, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, man. Living like this, they supposed to have.
Real motherfucking hot girl shit. Still running through the mall with your motherfucking daddy.
Aquarius, mate.
I'm a hot girl, I don't do titles. If I do, they it'll be Michael. Keep shit spicy, tip and tiny. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Johnny. Freaking the sheets, freak on the beats. Niggas been hooked since big old freak. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he on go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if it come with conditions. I don't rock shit if it come in his name. I'm not your buddy, your casa don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting a flick on him. All of these niggas is begging to hang. Cause my bitch a young thug and now I'm the bitch on me. Boy, I ain't finna read all that text, don't know what it said, but I send that's a bet. Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need no respect. It was the money for me, ayy. He gon' go dummy for me.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula. I actually ended up deleting the part where I did the unboxing because I was trying to like make more room so that I can film. So I'm going to show you guys what actually came in the packaging. This is the unit, obviously, and I went ahead and I flat ironed it out. I think this is such a beautiful color. As you guys can see, it's like this really vibrant purple color. And before the sun goes down, I'm actually about to show you guys what this color looks like. Okay, so this is, you know, some natural lighting so you guys can see like how pretty this color is. I just wanted to show you guys before it got too dark. Actually, this will bring it down a little bit because I think it's still a little too bright. So this is the natural lighting. The sun is sunning right now. This is golden hour, but you guys can really see how pretty this purple is. And I wanted to show you guys like the true color, because sometimes with the studio lights and everything, it can look a little bit brighter than what it actually is. A lot of times I look brighter than what I actually am. So yeah, this definitely helps, and you guys can really see the lace and everything. It looks so good. I really like the lace on this unit, and I did customize it and everything. So yeah, this is the vibe. But I still feel like even on camera, it still looks actually a little bit brighter than what it is. So I'm gonna turn the lighting down a little bit more and see if that helps. Not really. You guys still can't really see how vibrant it is, because like in person it's more of like a vibrant purple, but right here it looks more like a maroon color, but in person it's like a vibrant purple. Maybe I can I don't know, let me turn it down even more, see if that helps. Let me turn it down. I have it like on negative. I have the lighting on like negative something, but you still can't see like the true color, but it's okay. So yeah, I was trying to show y'all, you actually could see more of the purple here than in the sunlight, because this is like more so the true color. In the sunlight right now, when I was like trying to show you guys in natural lighting, it looks a lot brighter than what it actually is. So I don't know, but it's just a very, very pretty like vibrant purple, and it is an ombre, so the roots are black and then it goes into the purple, but it's very subtle. It's not like any harsh lines anywhere, so I do like that about it. And the other thing that I really like about this unit is the lace. But yeah, here you guys can actually see like how vibrant the purple is, because it's more so like a true purple, and I really, really like that about it. It's such a gorgeous color, you guys. Absolutely love it. So this is the packaging. This is what the unit came in. I'm glad that I kept this, because usually I like send these types of things off. So it came with this like elastic band here, where you can add this to your unit if you want to, but I didn't add this to the unit. So it came with that. It came with this thingy. I don't know, I guess this is supposed to be like for your baby hairs or something. And then it came with this pack, of course. They always come with these packs. That usually comes with a wig cap. And you know what I found out is that these are HD wig caps. These are HD wig caps, and I really like these because these are like the really, really thin ones. And these are, it shows you right here, it has a check and it says for bald cap method. So if you're one of those people that does that, it's gonna have like more of a thin, seamless look. So you won't even be able to see the cap. So those are actually really good. So if you get that in your package, like definitely keep those. Then it comes with this leopard melt band. These are called melt bands. You put these on to like melt your lace. So that's that. It also comes with a pair of lashes. These are the lashes. These lashes aren't too bad actually. I'm not mad at these. These are actually pretty cute. I wouldn't wear them because I like wearing mink hair lashes, and I have my own lash line, so why would I be wearing anybody else's stuff? I don't know. And then this is actually a makeup brush that comes out like this. So if you need to put makeup on your lace or anything like that, they have this in there. So if you see this, it looks like a little lipstick. You just pull it out, push this out, ta-da. Also got this gold silk robe that just has the name in the back here. So this is the robe that you get with your order, and it has Nadula on it in the front and the back. So we can get into that real quick. So yeah, it has Nadula here. It has, you know, this, but I'm not gonna put that on. It actually is a good fit. Maybe that was somebody else who sent me a robe that was too big. This is actually a great fit. So this is what it's looking like. You know, of course you would put the tie on. And then in the back, has Nadula in the back. You already know the vibes. And I want to say that this is probably about a 24 to 26 inch unit. It's definitely on the lengthy side. Of course, you guys know in the description box I will leave all the info for it, but yeah, this is what she's giving. And today I just decided to do, you know, a deep side part, somewhat of a deep side part. I did have to curve my part so that, you know, it actually makes sense, because if I was to just pull it back, it would have stopped like right there. And let's get another up close look here. It just looks so good. I love, 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 love this unit, you guys. It just looks good. Then I just added like a little bit of baby hair here, nothing too crazy. Like she's doing what needs to be done, okay? And if you want to, you can have it all off to the side. Just like, look at that. No tangling, no shedding. It's a nice density too. I would say the density for this one is probably about like 180% density. It's definitely on the fuller side. It's not too thin, which I'm happy about, because sometimes you get these straight units and they just be giving like very thin, very sparse, and that's not what we want. So yeah, this is what it's looking like in the back. And as you guys can see, it's so silky. It just moves so effortlessly. It's very flowy. It's rotating me in the back. From this side, like look at that, we love that. And if I bend over, you guys can see it almost melts in with everything else I got going on. Yeah, definitely a beautiful long silky straight unit. It's not frizzy. No matter how much I move my hair around, it's still giving what it needs to give. Okay, this that kind of hair that you could just whip somebody in the face with, and you see it's not frizzy. It's just her. Like she's definitely bomb. I really, really like this one. So shout out to Nadula. Nadula always has good units. They're one of those companies that just never fails me, and I always like their units. And I'm glad that they sent me something a little bit different, because I normally review like the natural colored hair. So it was nice to review something that's a little bit out of the box and have this beautiful purple color, because purple on dark skinned girls is just fire. I love wearing purple hair. I think it looks so good, and I haven't worn purple hair in a really long time. I did wear purple hair during like a photo shoot last year, but yeah, this is so bomb. I like it because it's not like too crazy, and it's more doable for people who don't really wear color like that, because it's not like super, super bright purple. It's a very subtle, like almost like an eggplant type of purple, and I absolutely love it, girl. So if you wanted to give this unit a try, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details of this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.